This is the simple employee information. Okay, this is the header for my PDF, and this is the folder. There is a table to display the data from my database. Okay, and the table header is employee ID, employee name, employee first name. Okay, and this is the row for my table, and this is the column for my table. Now, how to make this by reportlab? First of all, you need to install reportlab. If install reportlab, then go to your code, then import the main terms. First one is canvas, second one is letter, table style. Okay, and this is the colors. You go to your main code. Okay, and this is my data model because I want to display the information from database. So I need to create a data model. Okay, and this is the model name that will receive all the information from database as a contact data. Go to models, and this is the model name admin employee, and the column name. First column is employee ID, which is character field. The maximum length for employee ID is 50. Then go to your code, and this is the PDF path. Okay, I have created my report.pdf into D drive, and this is the header for my table. ID, employee name, employee first name. Look at here. This is the header. Employee ID, employee name, employee first name. Okay. Now this is the data for take list. Okay. Then I have using a for loop to display all the information from my database. This is the data row variable, and first row column is employee ID. Okay, then employee name, employee first name. Then append the data row to the data. Okay, data dot append to the data row. Okay, then give a print message that will display all the data. Look at here. This is the information displayed already. Then to pass the data into reportlab PDF, and I have created table. Okay, this is the table, and this is the information that I want to pass into my PDF. And this is the data, and this is the raw is for table, and repeated rows is equal to 1. Okay, then I have declared a canvas to add my path, and this is the size for PDF page. Okay, 1024 by 900. Look at here, and this is the page for the size 1024 by 900. Okay, now this is the header. Look at here, and this is the header, and the information, employee information. This is the title. Now how to create this header? Okay. Well, you need to initialize frame header, and this is the frame size. This is the x-axis value and the y-axis value, and this is the weight, and this is the height. Okay, and row boundary is equal to what? That will display the boundary line. Okay, and this is the boundary line. Now I have taken a list flow object, and then declare the table header. This is the information about my table, employee information. Look at here, and this is the employee information. Then append this information into your Pro object. Pro object dot append table header. This information will be added to Pro object. Then pass this list into your frame header. Okay, this is a frame header. Add from list and object. This is the list, and this is the PDF. Okay, and this is the PDF, which means that added the information into your PDF, and the PDF name is my report.pdf, and this is for header, and this is the information for footer. Okay, look at here, and this is the information for footer. All here you need to add your frame size. This is the frame size, and declare a list box, and this is the folder information, and append it to the list flow object, and then pass the data to your PDF. Okay, then folder add from list. Okay, and this is the flow object, and this is the PDF. Now I have added frames for display my information. This is the table. Okay, frame size and the show boundary is equal to 1 because this boundary is hidden. Okay, I want to hidden this boundary, so show boundary is equal to 0. Then assign a flow object list, and this is the table, and the data row height is equal to 20. Okay, now set the table style, and this is the background color, which is green, and this indicates that this is the first row. Okay, look at that. This is the first row 0 0 first column. Okay, and this is the last point. It declares that this is the last point, employee, sorry, yeah, -1 and 0. Okay, this is the axis per column, and this is the row. Okay, this is the column and this is the row, and set the color screen, and I have set the grade point. Okay, for black, then the font size is equal to 10, and the text align will be the center. Okay, I have added a background for chocolate color, and this is the chocolate color. Okay, now I have added this into your table. Okay, and then send this to your PDF. After the save the PDF. Okay, then you will see the information. Okay, so if I want to sell this color, put color, I think yellow, enter, save it, and run again. Okay, refresh, refresh. Now the color is changed. So thanks for watching. You need to practice more and more. Okay.